Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
This is Lawn Boy's self-propelled walk-behind mower. It's an affordable, reliable mower with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. For starters, the rear-wheel drive self-propelled system takes a lot of the work out of mowing by providing plenty of traction for going up slopes or hills. And the 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time. That makes setting your cutting height fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty the clippings faster and less often. And Lawn Boy backs this mower with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. Your mower will start on the first or second pull every time, or Lawn Boy will fix it for free. So, for a dependable self-propelled mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, this Lawn Boy is the right choice for you.